Welcome to Real Kiwi Fishing. This week Pea and I back out off the bays. We're going to be in the little tin today, but basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to go fish an old haunt. Now we used to go and fish Browns Bay Reef back in the mid-90s, do really well, you know, a lot of fish around that 5 pound with the odd sort of 10 pound coming through as well. So what we've decided to do is go and have a little bit of a play around Browns Bay Reef just to see if it'll still give us a bit of a you know, a bit of a feed, few fish, and maybe even still some nice fish. So what we're basically going to do is catch a few liveys and drop a few liveys here on the reef as well for some John Dory, and of course, you know, the bigger snapper. I like using live baits more for those bigger snapper, even along the bays. So yeah, today we're out off the bays at Browns Bay Reef and just seeing if we can pick up a few fish, see how well it still produces today. What we're doing at the moment, we're just drifting along trying to get some liveys. Got one already on my line. We're going to just catch a couple more. Peter's going to set up his rod as well. Okay, another nice fish off Browns Bay Reef. Not bad fish for a couple of minutes from the boat ramp.
Johnny boy! It's a Johnny boy! Here we go!
There you go, little Johnny on livey. Basically what we're doing is we're just fishing around Browns Bay Reef today. Me and Pea used to fish this area years ago, back in the early 90s. Used to get a lot of fish, a lot of nice snapper around that 5 pound, even up to about 10 pound. So we thought today what we'll do is we'll head out and have a look and see what Browns Bay Reef still holds for us. And so far it's still holding fish, not as big as it used to. Some nice snapper there, roughly around 45 centimeters, maybe close to 50, and a Johnny. So yeah, still producing for us. Live bait.
Oh, that's a good fish.
Only just looked too.
Hey?
Only just looked. There you go. It's not a bad snapper from Browns Bay Reef. That was live baiting.
that's a good size. That's a monster. Better than mine.
There you go. Well, that was a bit of a fun day today. So yeah, pretty much the plan came together. Basically headed out to Browns Bay Reef, did a bit of live baiting, and we hooked into a few snapper and John Dory. Actually dropped a couple of nice John Dory as well. But yeah, we caught the bigger snapper on the liveys, and I'm starting to really enjoy that live baiting even off the bays. So yeah, it's quite cool that Browns Bay Reef still produces today. And like I was saying before, you know, we used to fish it back in the early 90s, catch some nice fish up around that sort of 5 pound, the odd 10 pound coming through. So wasn't like how it used to be, but it was good to see that it still produces. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it. We certainly did, and until next time, tight lines. Thanks for watching another great day out fishing with Real Kiwi Fishing. And you can also find more of my movies on my YouTube channel, Real Kiwi Fishing.